As you guys watched that version of the video, I bet that you guys had some different perspectives about the students that were involved. Last week when we watched and you saw Cal and Ryan, you could have some different perspectives or different feelings about them based on how they were behaving towards Jenny and Meg. This time, though, it seemed that Cal made a different choice. Show a thumbs up if you agreed with Cal's choice. I definitely agreed with Cal's choice because he chose to apologize to Jenny for causing her milk to spill on her. That changed my feelings and perspectives about about Cal, because last week when I saw Cal, he was laughing and he seemed amused. He seemed funny by the fact that Jenny's milk spilled on her. But this time it seems like he felt differently. He apologized to her and he helped her to clean up, which was an awesome way to show empathy for somebody else. Because although Cal might not have meant to spill the milk on Jenny or cause Jenny's milk to spill on her, he laughed in the first video and he did not show empathy towards how Jenny was feeling. He might not have had the milk on his clothes, but Jenny did. And so you would feel differently if you had milk on your clothes compared to if you did not. But Kyle chose to apologize and help Jenny clean up, and so he showed her empathy and care for the fact that she felt bad because she had milk on her clothes. How do you think that Kyle was feeling when he chose to make that decision? He might have felt concerned for Jenny. He might have felt that he wanted to be helpful. How can you tell that Kyle was feeling those specific feelings? You could tell that Kyle was concerned or that he wanted to be helpful because he apologized to her and he chose to figure out how to help solve the problem by going to help her clean up. When Kyle first bumped into Jenny, he felt amused by the fact that she had milk on her shirt. After he noticed Jenny's face, which seemed sad or concerned or embarrassed, he understood her perspective and he ended up feeling concerned. How do you think that Jenny feels now that Kyle helped her? I would say that Jenny feels relieved. She feels a little bit better. She feels a little bit more calm. I can tell that based on the fact that Jenny was laughing, and instead of her face looking sad or embarrassed, she looked a little bit relieved and happy. Before, Jenny was upset when Kyle spilled the milk on her or caused the milk to spill on her, and he and Ryan were laughing. But after Kyle apologized, it helped her and she felt relieved. Now think about why Jenny's feelings changed. I want you to pause the video here, teachers, and have some discussion with students about the different perspectives or feelings that they had about Kyle and Jenny after watching this video and watching Kyle make a different choice. I want you guys to also discuss why do you think Jenny's feelings changed, or why do you think Kyle made the choice that he did. Pause the video here, teacher, and let's get into some very good discussion with each other about perspectives, feelings, and showing empathy. I believe that you guys had some awesome discussion just now with each other. Hopefully you would have done the same thing that Kyle did and showed some empathy and care for Jenny as she had the milk on her shirt. After you guys watched that video, you also probably saw that Meg's feelings changed. After Kyle bumped into Jenny, Meg said, "Look, Kyle's running away. I can't believe he would do that." Pretend that you were Meg. Do you think that Kyle spilled the milk on Jenny on purpose? Probably so, based on him running away after he spilled it. At first, Meg jumped to conclusions. That means that you jumped to a feeling or a conclusion about what you thought a person meant by something that they said or they did. From her perspective, it looked like Kyle spilled the milk on purpose. After, though, she found out more information, she realized that Kyle had not done it on purpose, but he had done it by accident. And her feelings changed. Her perspective about the situation changed. People can have different perspectives and feelings about the same situation, and their feelings can change. Noticing others' feelings and thinking about their perspectives can give you empathy, help you to show empathy for others.